everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt-free. Happy Wednesday again, you guys. I am so excited because today is my little update for my debt update, basically. My little update for my day update. Oh my gosh. So if you're new here, almost 3 years ago, you guys, I was $45,000 in debt, and finally last year of 2024, the end of December, I fully committed to myself that I was going to completely become debt free and hopefully, knock on wood, never again go back into debt. So today I am going to update you guys into my little agenda here, binder A5 going on here into my debt. So I am so excited to share with you the new numbers. I have it right here. Basically, when I started fully, completely, you know, pay more attention towards my debt and be more, you know, consistent into paying it off. And when I started it, I was $7,802 with 6 cents, and right now, last month, we were with $3,473 with 91 cents, you guys. So today is June 11, and we're gonna update it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I am so excited. I feel like I'm so far away but yet so close. My goal is to finish it off by August. So yeah, so now the new update is, are you guys ready? It's a huge drop. It makes a huge difference compared to where it was left off though. The new update now is $1,988 with 86 cents. Oh my goodness, 86 cents. So that is $1,485 with what? With 5 cents that went towards my debt. Oh my goodness. We have dropped it to the 1 digit. super close to the 2, but no, we dropped it to the 1 digit, you guys. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. So $1,988 with 86 cents is what we have left for us to complete our debt. Oh my goodness. I am just so excited, you guys. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I feel like if I get my payments towards the end of this month, it would be nice. Like, I sold some of my goodie bags, not my goodie bags, but I sold some of my like luxury bag, because I told myself, you know what, let me just sell my luxury bag and pay off my debt. And so basically I'm just waiting for that payment, for the consignment to pay me, and it's legit this amount. So if I get paid, that'll be amazing. I will be done by next month, but if not, we will see how low we can drop it. So yeah, so there is my little fun update, you guys. I hope you enjoy. I hope to keep you motivated. Small amounts do add up. You guys know that I play with small amount of money sometimes. And yeah, so I see you guys tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Thursday. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and I appreciate you choosing me. And I see you guys tomorrow. Adios. Bye, guys.